Most AI video tools focus on realistic footage. But what if you want animated explainer videos, social media content, or business presentations without learning complex animation software? In this review, we're looking at Vmaker AI, a platform that combines AI video creation, screen recording, editing, and 2D-style content tools in one place. Vmaker AI is built for creators, educators, marketers, and small businesses that need videos quickly. Instead of manually animating every element, the platform helps generate scenes, subtitles, voiceovers, and visual assets automatically. It's especially useful for tutorials, product demos, educational videos, and social media content where speed matters more than Hollywood-level animation. One thing that stands out is how beginner-friendly it is. The interface is clean, templates are ready to use, and many tasks that normally require multiple apps can be handled inside a single workflow. AI-generated subtitles, voiceovers, and editing tools save a lot of time, particularly for YouTube creators and online teachers. Now let's talk about pricing. Vmaker offers a free plan with limited exports and features. The starter plan costs around $24 per month, while the Teams plan is about $39 per month with more collaboration features and higher limits. There's also an enterprise option with custom pricing for larger organizations. Prices may vary depending on billing cycles and promotions. Of course, there are some drawbacks. While Vmaker is fast and convenient, it's not a replacement for professional animation software if you need frame-by-frame control or highly customized motion graphics. Some AI-generated scenes can also feel template-based if you don't spend time customizing them. Overall, Vmaker AI is a strong option for creators who want quick, polished 2D-style videos without a steep learning curve. If your priority is speed, ease of use, and AI-assisted production, it's definitely worth considering in 2026.